The job market is shifting fast. AI is redefining valuable skills and opening new opportunities for those who adapt. In this video, we'll break down the 7 essential AI tools for 2025, why they matter, and how you can start learning them for free. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to future-proof your career. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT, OpenAI's language model that's transforming how we work. It's more than chat, it's your writing, coding, and brainstorming partner. Mastering prompt engineering is the real skill, knowing how to ask the right questions for the best results. Use ChatGPT to offer AI-enhanced content services on Upwork or Fiverr, write blog posts, marketing copy, or edit documents faster than anyone else. Start with the free version on OpenAI's site and explore YouTube tutorials for advanced techniques. This is the lowest barrier to entry with huge earning potential. Don't just use it, leverage it. Next, Midjourney, AI that turns your words into stunning images. It's revolutionizing design, advertising, and e-commerce by making custom visuals accessible to everyone. Learn to craft creative prompts and generate unique designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and posters. Join the Midjourney Discord for a free trial and start experimenting. Turn your imagination into income. For developers, GitHub Copilot is a game-changer, an AI pair programmer that suggests code in real time. It boosts productivity, helps you learn best practices, and lets you focus on complex problems. Master Copilot to become the fastest developer on your team or to take on more freelance projects. Try the free trial, install it in your editor, and start coding. The more you use it, the more valuable you become. It's an investment that pays off fast. Runway ML brings Hollywood-level video editing to your browser. Create effects, remove objects, and generate video content with AI. No big budget needed. Content creators and marketers can offer AI video editing services, adding polish and speed for clients. Use the free plan to learn and check out their tutorials for inspiration. Creativity, not budget, is now the limit. Monetize your skills by helping others stand out. Notion AI supercharges productivity. Draft emails, summarize meetings, and brainstorm ideas right inside your workspace. It streamlines admin work and helps you become the most organized person in your team. Use it to manage projects, create clear documentation, and communicate with impact. Start with Notion's free version. Test Notion AI with free responses. Their template gallery is a goldmine for workflow ideas. Be the efficiency expert everyone relies on. Tableau turns raw data into interactive, insightful dashboards. With AI features like Ask Data and Explain Data, you can analyze trends and uncover insights using plain English. Every industry needs people who can interpret data and tell compelling stories. Start with Tableau Public for free and build dashboards with public data sets. Data skills open doors to high-demand, high-paying roles. Make data your superpower. Google Bard is your real-time research and creative partner, pulling live info from the web and Google services. It's perfect for research, trend analysis, and generating fresh ideas. Use Bard to create market reports, analyze competitors, or brainstorm content with up-to-date data. Try it for free and treat it like a research assistant. Give it complex tasks and see what it delivers. Experiment with its drafts to spark new thinking. Stay ahead with the latest insights. These 7 AI tools can transform your career in 2025 and beyond. It's not about AI replacing you, it's about amplifying your skills and unlocking new opportunities. The barrier to entry is low and the rewards are high. Start learning, experimenting, and building your AI toolkit now. Don't wait for the future, create it. Subscribe to Investax for more AI and money-making strategies. Thanks for watching. Let's build your AI-powered future together.